Hi, so today I want to take you through a nice workout for the spine. So the nice thing about this is it's working with the flowing spine. When you work with the energies through the spine, you're working with something called the Tai Chi pole. The Tai Chi pole is a center core of light that goes right from the pelvic floor all the way up to the crown of your head. And when we can open that, we get more energy flowing also with around us as well as within us. So let's begin by finding a nice upright posture and bring your hands to your heart in a prayer position. And we're going to start with an exercise called the fountain. So let's breathe in and slowly lift your hands up like a fountain popping out of your head, and let the energy rain down all around you. And as you do, let your hips go back. Inhale, push your hips forward like you're sending a little wave up the spine. Exhale, let the hips go back. Inhale, hands come up, hips come forward. Exhale, hips go back as arms drop. Getting a sense of flowing from the lower spine through the mid-spine to the upper spine, all the way through the neck to the top of the head. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And let the focus be on your spine as you move the chi, creating this fountain that rains all around you to fill the chi all around you. Let's do that one more time. Inhale. Exhale. Good. And then come back to an upright position and bring your focus to your hands and imagine that you can hold a ball of light. Let that ball of light be right there about the level of the navel. And we're going to expand and move this ball with an exercise called Embrace the Tiger, Return to the Mountain. So let's take a breath in. On the exhale, send those hips back again. Let the hands go out to the side. Bring the hips forward to create a little undulation through the spine and bring that hands up to the heart. Exhale, create a little wave through your spine to send energy out from your heart. Inhale and create a nice big bubble all around you, gathering the chi from all the beautiful energy around you and let it fill you up. Like there's a big cauldron here that you're filling with energy called chi. So let's exhale, hands go out, hips go back. Inhale, send that little pulse up the spine till you get to your heart. Exhale. Inhale. Gathering fresh energy like fresh mountain air. Exhale. Inhale, hips go forward. Exhale. Inhale. So as we go out, we're sending this like the energy of a tiger, just sending it out, very powerful from the heart. And this is the energy of the mountain, strong, stable mountain, gathering that energy to fill you up. Exhale. Here comes the tiger pounce, going forward, and then mountain. Good. Feel the spine as the hips go back and then the hips come forward to send that wave. Exhale. Good. Inhale. And one more time. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And breathe in. Bring your hands to the navel and just pause for a moment and feel yourself as you've gather this energy to fill yourself up. Good. I'm going to invite you to expand it a little bit more. Expand it a little bit more. So we're going to do something called the earth flow. So let's start once again holding a ball. An imaginary ball. We call that a chi ball, and you can kind of just play with that. The more you can relax into these flows, the more energy will move through your tendons and move out to the hands and start to create this energetic ball of light. So we're going to move that ball as well. So let's take a breath in. As you exhale, exhale through the nose as the hips go back. Inhale through the nose, come up. Exhale through the nose and push forward just like before. Inhale, this time we're going to create a nice protective bubble of light all around you. Circle the hands around at the hips, and now let's ground it into the earth. Inhale, lift up some energy from the earth and form it into a ball. Inhale, lift it up. Exhale, let it wash down over the face, over the body, all the way down to your feet, like you're being washed in beautiful energy. Inhale, lift your hands up. Exhale, let them come down and reform the ball. Let's feel that ball once again. And take that through the flow again. Let your tongue go behind the upper front teeth so you can breathe only with the nose for this one. And take a nice breath in. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale from the heart. Inhale, create a nice protective bubble of light all around you. Curl the hands, rooted into the earth. Gathering some more energy. Form it into a ball. Inhale, let's lift the ball. Exhale, let it wash over you, nice and easy. Like you're dumping a bucket of water over you, all the way down to your feet. Inhale, hands float up. Exhale, they float down. Let's feel that ball once again. Let's do that one more time. Take a breath in. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale from the heart. Take a breath in and gather energy from all around you. Make a nice energy bubble and then ground it into the earth and gather some energy from the earth. Form it into a ball. Inhale, lift the ball. Exhale, let it wash over the body from head all the way through you down to your feet. Inhale up. Exhale down. Holding that ball. Take a beautiful ball of light and place it right at the navel. Take some nice deep breaths in and out through the nose. Let all that settle. Good. Let's lock that in with some circles at the navel, a symbolic holding in the chi. And reverse it. Good, like closing the vault at the end of the session. I hope that helps. Have a great day. Take care.